Hello and mabuhay all makers. I am Jomar Cruz from the Philippines. I am the Director of Research and Development at EduLearn Technologies Incorporated. At the same time, I have been an instructor in robotics and a mentor in MakeX competitions, competing in national and international competitions since 2019. My first competition was held in Chongqing, China, and continued to compete in the World Championship. Since then, I have committed myself to continue to mentor students and other coaches in robotics competitions here in the Philippines. Through this, I became an official judge in Make Starter in 2020. Being a judge is a commitment, a challenge, a great experience, and enjoyment at the same time. It also allows me to learn new ideas from different people worldwide, featuring their talents and creativity in showcasing robotics with innovations, which is really an amazing opportunity. I have been a local judge in robotics competitions, online and on-site since 2016. Partnering with MakeBlock MakeX has been a big help and an honor to me to keep on my passion burning in robotics. Participating in robotics competitions help us to do better in future competitions, especially in performing in the field, planning new strategies for each mission, and studying the techniques we can use to perform in various missions. I encourage young enthusiasts to join and learn more about robotics through the competitions here at MakeX, because here you will learn different innovations, improve your talents and skills, enhance your abilities in coding and design, and meet new people while sharing your culture and having fun while learning. As for the judge view in the Make Export team this year, it's a big challenge for the participating groups and the judge's perspective as well. Everybody will be tested based on their abilities and ideology about helping our environment. This will also spark more inspiring ideas from each team that will represent their country and in their own experiences. My analysis on this year's criteria, I'm sure young children can benefit a lot because their minds will be open at such a young age about machine learning, artificial intelligence, and Internet of Things on how it works, who will benefit, and how it can be useful for future development. Transforming home technologies into environmental awareness technology from their design and programming abilities, innovative thinking and communication skills, and which electronic technologies that will be used in their projects to make it more functionable. My takeaway on this upcoming Make Export competition to each participant is to enjoy learning new ideas and explore more about our surroundings on how we can help maintain our ecosystem better and create new innovative technology that will help every living thing from sea, land, and air. My advice to every participant is to do plenty of research documentation and have lots of trial and error from assembling a robot to coding. Remember, do not be afraid of failure because this will be your key to success. Help your team and enjoy the moment working together with your mentor. Again, thank you, MakeX. Keep up the great work, and I am looking forward for more future competitions in the coming years. Thank you and congratulations.